Hello friend, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today I am going to show you how you can transfer data from your MacBook to any operating system. Like if you want to transfer data from MacBook Air to Windows or MacBook Air to Linux or MacBook to Android, you can easily transfer data from your MacBook. First of all, you need to check your IP address. I have already shown you how to check IP address. Okay, I will give the link in the I button. You can check there. Then you have to install Python inside your MacBook. Okay, so I have already uploaded a video on how to install Python on MacBook. Okay, so please go and first of all watch that video if you don't know how to install Python on MacBook. Okay, so after watching that, after installing MacBook Python on your MacBook and checking your IP address, you can check your IP address simply by running here command ifconfig en0. Okay, that's it, and you can see your IP address is 192.168.29.254, and you have to check if you want to check that whether Python has been successfully installed inside your system or not. You can check using this command python 3 -- version, and it will show your installed version. So you can see Python 3.12.0 has been already installed inside my MacBook Air. And if you guys don't know how to install, how to do that, I have already uploaded. You can check my playlist, MacBook playlist. Okay, or you can see the I button. I will mention that video on the I button. You can watch from there. Okay, now after doing all this, what the next thing you have to do? Next thing is you have to run this command. First of all, before running this command, you can check your directory, inside which directory you are right now. So right now I am inside user Satish Tiwari. Okay, so this is the directory. You can run ls command to see the files and folders here. So suppose here you can see there are so many files and folders. If you want to go to desktop, you can simply type cd desktop. Okay, and terminal would like to access files on desktop. Okay, allow him. Then run ls command, and you can see on desktop there are so many files and folders. Now out of these files and folders, I want to share this folder, OBS folder. You can see here OBS folder. So I am going to share this OBS folder. Let me show you that OBS folder. You can see at the right hand side top corner, you can see OBS folder. I want to share that folder. Okay, so I am going inside that folder using cd OBS. Now I am inside the OBS folder. How you know that? Run pwd, present working directory. So it will show you that you are inside the OBS directory. Then run ls command to see the files. So you can see these are the files inside OBS. Now all those files will be easily shared if you run this command. So I am going to run this command, python 3 -m http.server. Okay, you just have to type http.server and then port number. You can type any port number, any random port number, 8080 I have given it. Okay, and just press enter. Once you press enter on your this IP and this port number, this complete folder, OBS folder, will be shared. Now anyone who know your IP address of your MacBook and this port number will be able to access your system, your MacBook data through browser. For example, remember, and this must be inside same network. Okay, this must be inside same network. If you want to share your data with remote network, you have to use port forwarding, and for that you have to use ngrok software, which is available for MacBook. I will upload a video, detailed video on ngrok port forwarding for MacBook in the upcoming videos. Okay, in the upcoming days. First of all, let me show you what to do on the client side. Now the client are requested only to open the client only need browser. Whether you are on Windows, you are on Linux, you are on Android, you just need to open any browser, any hell. Okay, it's not mandatory that you need a specific browser. You can open any browser and just type the IP address of the Kali Linux machine, that is 192.168.29.254, which we have just seen, and then colon. After colon, you have to type the port number 8080 which you have given and press enter. And now you can see all those files which are inside the OBS folder are available, and now you just click and download. Okay, let me show you the files. So go to the OBS and you can see these are the files here, and these files are now accessible through the browser. It means you can access all these files through the browser if you are in the same network. Okay, so even you are in the same network, you can easily access these files. You can transfer file from your MacBook to Windows, and MacBook to Linux, or MacBook to Android without any connection. You don't need any physical connection. It's wirelessly going on. Okay, everything is wirelessly going on. I hope this video help you a lot to transfer file from your MacBook to any other operating system. And if it helps you, don't forget to like it. And if you have any request, I will just comment me. Just say, just ask your doubts inside through the comment. I will try to answer your doubts, and if possible, I will make a video clearing your doubts. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep enjoying.